Hi cuties, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. Nice to meet you once again in this online class. I'm happy for about it. Let's get back to maths class. All of you listen. Children, in the last class we have studied even and odd numbers. Is that no, ma? Yes, in the last class we have studied even and odd numbers. Even numbers Tamil meaning is இரட்டைப்படை எண்கள். The odd numbers Tamil meaning is ஒற்றைப்படை எண்கள். Is that no? Previous class we have studied even and odd numbers. Yes, even numbers. E-V-E-N, even. N-U-M, B-E-R-S, numbers. Even numbers. Even numbers means இரட்டைப்படை எண்கள். Okay. E, the, it, டை, இரட்டை, படை எண்கள். ஏ, இன், க, இல் எண்கள். இரட்டைப்படை எண்கள். ஓகேவாமா? ஈவன் நம்பர்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் இரட்டைப்படை எண்கள். Okay. What are even numbers? Open your mouth and say the even numbers. The numbers ending with 0. The numbers ending with 0 are 2, are 4, are 6, are 8. This is called even numbers. Is that no, ma? The numbers ending with 0, are 2, are 4, are 6, are 8. That is called even numbers. Okay, we see the odd numbers. O-double-D, odd. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Odd numbers. Odd numbers. Odd numbers means ஒற்றைப்படை எண்கள். Okay, odd numbers means ஒற்றை படை எண்கள். ஓகேவாமா? ஒற்றைப்படை எண்கள். The numbers ending with 1 are 3, are 5, are 7, are 9. This is called odd numbers. Is that no, ma? The numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 are 8. That is called even numbers. At the same time, the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are called odd numbers. Okay, do you understand? Children? Okay, let's start our class. In this class we are going to learn about the place and phase value. Okay, in this class we are going to learn about phase and place value. Okay, place value means இடமதிப்பு. Okay mama, place value means இடமதிப்பு. Phase value means முகமதிப்பு. In this class we are going to learn about place value and phase value. Shall we study that one? Okay, let's start. The fifth one heading. Okay, right here. P-L-A-C value and face value. இடமதிப்பு மற்றும் முகமதிப்பு. ஓகேவாமா? place value and face value. place value and face value. இடமதிப்பு மற்றும் முகமதிப்பு. What is place value? Do you know that? What is place value? The place value of a digit in a number depends on the number it holds. Okay. The place value of a digit in a number depends on the place it holds. At the face value of a digit is the digit itself. Okay, Mama? The place value of a digit in a number is the value wherever it is present in the number. Okay, the place value of a digit in a number is the value wherever it is present in the number. Okay, the face value of a digit is the digit itself. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. At whatever place it may be, it is unchangeable and infinite. But place value changes according to the digits place. Okay, place value can change according to the digits place, but the face value can't change the values. Okay, the face value of a digit is the digit itself. At whatever place it may be, it is unchangeable and infinite. Okay, the face value is unchangeable one, but the place value can changes according to the digits place. Okay, Mama? Place value அது இருக்கிற இடத்தை பொறுத்து என்ன செய்யும்? மாறுபடும். place value ஓட மதிப்பு என்ன செய்யும்? மாறுபடும். but face value எந்த பிளேஸ்ல இருந்தாலும் face value ஓட மதிப்பு என்ன செய்யாது? மாறாது. ஓகேவா? face value can change their places. Place value changes according to the digits place, but the face value of a digit wherever place it may be, it is unchangeable and infinite. Okay, now they are given one number and they are underlined also one number. First you have to see the underlined digit number. First you have to see the underlined digit number. Which number is underlined? Then you find the underlined digit number is in which place? Underline particular number in the place. Then you find, if we want the place value of a digit means you have to write face value of the digit and value of the place. Okay, face value of the digit and the value of the place. Okay, Mama? Shall we see some examples that will you can understand? Okay. See the first one I am writing here. What is this number? 486. Yes. See here, what is this number? 486. Which number is underlined here? Which number is underlined here? 8. Is that no? Which number is underlined here? In the number underlined. Which number is underlined here? 8 is underlined. Okay, 8 is in which place? The number 8 is in which place? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, the number 8 is in tens place. Yes. Now we have to find the place value. P-L-A-C-E place. V-A-L-U-E value. Place value. Place value means ida madippu. Okay. See here, the number 8 is in tens place. The number 8 is in tens place. So we have to multiply by 10. Idala multiply pananum 10 ala. Okay. 10 8s are 80. 10 8s are 80. Then see the face value. F-A-C-E face. B-A-L-U-E value. Face value. Face value means mugamadiku. You just see the underlined digit number and take and write here. Which number is underlined? 8. The 8 one you take and write here. Okay, face value is very easy one. Okay, Mama. Place value means first we have to find the underlying digit number. Then find the number is in which place. Ones place, tens place, or hundreds place. Okay, don't forget. First you have to see the underlying digit number. Then you find the underlying digit number is in which place. Okay, ones place, or tens place, or hundreds place. Okay. Then the number is in ones place means we have to multiply by 1. Underlying digit number is in ones place means we have to multiply by 1. The underlying digit number is in tens place means we have to multiply by 10. The underlying digit number is in 400 place means we have to multiply by 100. Okay, Mama? Then see the next one. 8,496. What is this number? 8,496. 100 and 1000. Okay. Now the underlying digit number. Now we have to find the place value. PLACE place. VALUE value. Place value. The underlying digit number is 4. 4 is in which place? 100 place. Now we have to multiply by 100. The underlying digit number is 4. 4 is in 100 place. So we have to multiply by 100. 4 multiplied by 100 is equal to 400. Okay, Mama? Then see the face value. FACE face. VALUE value. Face value. Face value means you just see the number and take and write here. Which number is underlined here? 4. So you take and write here 4. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, then see the next one. Don't write, okay? I'll have to listen. Don't write. 9,432. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay. The underlying digit number is 9. The underlying digit number is 9. Okay. To write the answer here, first place value. PLACE place. VALUE value. Place value. First we have to see the underlying digit number. Which number is underlined here? Which number is underlined here? 9. Write here 9. Then multiply by the number is in which place? 9 is in which place? 1000 place. Yes. So we have to multiply by 1000 is equal to 9 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 9 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 9000. Then write the face value. FACE face. VALUE value. Face value. Okay, the underlying digit number is 9. You take and write here 9. Okay, ma'am? Then 46. Ones and tens. The underlying digit number is 6. You just find the place value. PLACE place. VALUE value. Place value. Okay, the underlying digit number is 6. 6 is in which place? Ones place. So we have to multiply by 1. Okay, Mama? 1 is equal to 1 6 is 6. Then write the face value. FACE face. VALUE value. Face value. Okay. Just see this one and take and write here. The underlying digit number is 6. The underlying digit number is 6. So you take and write this one. Okay, Rama? Do you understand, children? Do you understand? Okay, very good. right. WRITE, right. THEED, PLACE, place. VALUE, value. AND, and. THEE, FACE, face. VALUE, value. Write the place value and the face value. OLR, THEED, UNDER, LINED, underline, DIGIT, digit. Write the place value and the face value of the underlined digits. Write the place value and the face value of the underlined digits. Use your scale to draw a box. Okay, Mama? Write the place value and the face value of the underlying digits. And how to draw one box. First one, you write here number, NUMBER, number. Then place value, PLACE, place. VALUE, value. Then FACE, face. VALUE, value. Number, place value and face value. Shall we write this one? Okay. Number, place value and face value. First, see the first one. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay, the underlying digit number is 8. First, find the place value. First, we have to find the place value. Okay, Mama? Find the place value. The underlying digit number is 8. Is that no? Yes. 8 is in which place? 8 is in which place? 100th place. So we have to multiply by 100 means we will get, see here, 8 multiplied by 100 is equal to, the answer is 800. Is that no? 8 multiplied by 100 is equal to 800. Okay, then face value, the underlying digit number is 8. So you take and write here 8. So you take and write here 8. Okay, Mama? Then see the next one. 7,641. 7,641. The underlying digit number is 4. The underlying digit number is 4. 4 is in which place? Tens place. So we have to multiply by 10. So we have to multiply by 10. 10 fours are 40. 10 fours are 40. Okay, Mama? Now the place value is 40. Then the face value. Face value is 4. The face value is 4. Okay. Then see the next one. 9,200. 9,200. 200. Which number is underlined here? 9. 9 is in which place? Thousands place. So we have to multiply by 1000. 9 multiplied by 1000 is equal to, we will get 9000. Okay, Mama? 9 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 9000. Then find the face value. The underlined which number is 9? You take and write here 9. Okay, Mama? Then 8603. 8603. 8603. Okay, first to find the place value. Which number is underlined here? Which number is underlined here? 3. Yes. So 3 is in which place? The number 3 is in which place? Is it in tens place? Sorry, ones place. Yes. So we have to multiply by 1. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1 3 is 3. Yes, 1 3 is 3. Then find the face value. The underlying digit number is 3. So you take and write here 3. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Okay, very good. Now all of you open your maths note. All of you open your maths note. Take new page and write today's class work. All of you open your maths note. All of you open your maths note. Take new page and write today's class work. Take new page and write today's class work. This is you should mention class work. Okay. CW class work. And here you should write today's day and date. That is compulsory. Okay. Don't forget to write today's day and date. Place value and face value. Write neatly, say and write. Place value and face value. Okay, write neatly. See the board and write. I want good handwriting without any one mistake. Okay. So all of you write neatly. See the board and write. Say and write neatly. Use your scale to draw a line. Use your scale to draw a line, okay? Write neatly, say and write PLACE, place. VALUE, value, place, value, and AMD and FACE, face. VALUE, value, place, value, and face value. Place value and face value. WRITE, right? THEB. PLACE, place. VALUE, value. AMD and THEB, FACE face, VALUE value, OFF, THED, UNDER, underline, DIGITS, digits. Write the place value and the face value of the underlined digit. Then use your scale to draw a box. Number, place value and face value. NUMBER, number. PLACE, place. VALUE, value, place value. And face value, FACE, face. VALUE, value, number, place value and face value. Completed. Now take new page and write today's homework. All of you take new page and write today's homework. Don't waste the time. Take new page and write today's day and date. Mention it, homework. Homework. Take new page and write with me. All of you take new page and write with me, homework. Here you should write today's day and date, okay? Then write the place value and the face value of the underlined digit. Write the place value and the face value of the underlined digit, okay? Use your scale to draw a box. Then write the number. First number, place value and face value. Okay, use the scale to draw a box. First we have to write the number. NUMBER, number. Then place value, PLACE, place. VALUE, value, number, place value, then face value, FACE, face, VALUE, value, number, place value and face value. Use your scale to draw a box. Okay, Mama? Then see the number. The first one is 1379. 1379. And the second one is 2436. 2436. Then 3944. 3944. 6005. 6005. 8633. 5,630. 4,792. 4,792. 6,821. 6,821. This is today's homework. Okay, Mama? 1,379, then 2,436, 3,944, 6,005, 8,630, 4,792, 6,821. This is today's homework. This one is very easy, yes. All of you do it your homework yourself. Write neatly, do it properly. Okay. Next one, we will see the next class. Okay. Take care, children. Thank you. Bye.